In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows and columns in Google Sheets. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so you can clean up your spreadsheet fast without losing the data you want to keep. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon to open the app launcher. Choose Sheets to open Google Sheets, then select the spreadsheet you want to edit. If you're already in a sheet, you can follow along right there. To remove rows, look to the far left where you see the row numbers. Click a row number to select that entire row. To select multiple, non-adjacent rows, hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each row you want to remove. On a Mac, use Command. If you want a continuous block of rows, click the first row in the range, then hold Shift and click the last row. Everything in between will be selected. Take a second to confirm you're only highlighting the rows you truly want to delete, especially if the sheet contains important headers or formulas. With your rows selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted row numbers to open the context menu. Choose Delete Row. If you selected several rows, Google Sheets will remove all of them at once, and the remaining rows will shift up automatically. Keep in mind that deleting is different from clearing contents. Deleting removes the row structure itself, not just the data in the cells. Now let's do the same for columns. Look to the top where you see the column letters. Click a column letter to select that entire column. To pick multiple, non-adjacent columns, hold Control or Command on a Mac and click each column letter you want to remove. For a continuous block of columns, use Shift between the first and last column in the range. Again, double-check your selection so you don't remove a column you need. Right-click on the highlighted column letters and choose Delete Selected Columns. Sheets will remove the columns you picked and shift everything to the left, keeping your remaining data aligned. A few quick safety tips. If you delete something by mistake, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo immediately. Consider freezing header rows before editing so they're easier to protect. And when in doubt, make a quick copy of your sheet so you can experiment without risk. That's it. You've learned how to efficiently delete multiple rows and columns in Google Sheets using precise selections and the right-click menu.